Hi, my name is Mark and we're going to look at how to make an effective brochure. A brochure is very important for your business. It's really a marketing tool, a business calling card, as it gives you the opportunity to communicate what it is you do to your potential customer base. So therefore, two things need to be considered: what it is you're communicating and who you're giving this brochure to. One, the look, the feel, replicates basically what your business is about. So if you're into the quality end of a business or the high end of a business, then you need to think about the quality and the look of this brochure. If you're into volume sales and a service, then maybe the quality of the paper, for example, isn't important. So we need to think about whether this is a hard copy, for example, it's a tangible brochure that I can hand to you, or whether your brochure is online and therefore people can see it on their laptops or they can print it out. Either which way, the point here is that the main essence of your business is clearly conveyed. So, for example, pictures, images, they say a lot more than words. If you're a hairdresser, for example, then it would be good that you have lots of images of the various styles and cuts of your clients. What type of salon is it, for example? Is it a nice, fun, shiny place, or is it a very elegant, environment? What's the feel of the business? So again, pictures can convey this, as the graphics and style of the brochure. This is your business card, effectively, so make sure it does replicate what it is you do. If you have a logo, make sure that's clearly indicated. Make sure that that logo expresses the business you're in. And of course, you need names, telephone numbers, addresses, location guides, how to get there, and the various benefits your business offers. So in other words, what benefits the customer will get from coming to your hairdressing salon. Will they get coffee, refreshments? Will they be looked after by the head stylist? Things like this, the things that are going to attract people. So you have a very short period of time in which to catch people's attention. So the brochure shouldn't be any more than a handful of pages with lots of clearly defined benefits and use of imagery.